Dungeons and Dragons, the world's greatest role playing game. What the hell is role playing? Role playing is essentially acting, improvisation to be exact, in which you take on the role of another character or person. Role playing is used in lots of situations every day, whether you're role playing to work through scenarios in a new job, giving yourself a pep talk in the mirror, or dodging imaginary bullets in the shower. Come on, I'm not the only one. Or rolling dice as Rickard, the 26-year-old rogue. Role playing is essentially using the age old acting rule of improvisation, yes and. It helps in improvisation to agree with the statement and then add to what they've said. Giving someone a no in improv makes them backtrack and have to think quickly to remedy the scene, whereas an agreement or acknowledgement allows the story to flow forward naturally, unfolding as it goes. So when you're rolling those D&D dice, remember yes and. But before you do any role playing, you need to know your character first. Sure, you can wing it and figure things out as you go, but to create a real scene with believable characters and flaws and adventures, you need to know where you come from. So get to know your character. Where are they from? What do they want? And what are they afraid of? These are key questions to understanding your character, and I guarantee you will get much better role-playing simply by knowing them. Diving deeper also means figuring out what makes your character tick. There's a reason there's a flaw section on the character sheet. We don't like our characters because of all the good they do. We like them because their flaws make them real. Think about it. We all love a character we can relate to. So find out your character's flaws, whether it's their attitude, an addiction, or a haunting past. Another great tip is to practice. Find someone who you can have some fun with. Even just texting out a scene back and forth can help. But if you can get together with your DM and try out how your character feels wearing their shoes, as it were, it will go a long way to making you a better role player, and over time, you'll see your skills grow. So why is role playing so important? Because it allows us to let go. We are put into the shoes of another situation, or for the specific instance of D&D, a character. Humans have a desire for creating stories. It's part of who we are, and one of the reasons art is around in the first place, right? Creating something and partaking in that something with others around us, it drives the human experience. We are social creatures. Dungeons and Dragons allows players to partake in a world as someone else through role-playing, and for a lot of people, a lot. It's a form of escape from a world that can be brutal at times. So should you give role-playing a shot? Hell yes, at least once. Come on. You know you want to, you've been curious, just remember to add to the scene and keep it simple. Simple is organic and just feels right. Hopefully that helps you understand role-playing a little bit and makes you want to dive into role-playing. If you have other tips you think we missed, drop them down below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.